Storm door guy here, and today I'm installing an Anderson storm door. A question I get a lot is, where is the door registration number? So if you're trying to order parts, the factory, any factory is going to ask you for the registration number so they can pull up all the information about the door you ordered. So let me show you how to find your door registration number through my eyes. All right, so we got the door here. What we're going to do is open the door, and you're going to look on the inside of the hinge side of the door. You're looking for a white sticker. This one right here. Hopefully you can see it with my camera. Your door registration number is this number right here. Larson, Provia, all the others, they have the same thing. And so just look for this registration sticker on the inside of your hinge rail. Sometimes the Larson Platinum doors, they put the sticker on the door here, but they're always on the hinge side of the door. And that's how you find the registration number for your storm door. For this and other tips and tricks, visit stormdoorguy.com. Be sure to subscribe to my channel or follow me across social media at stormdoorguy. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.